Are you frustrated with the scale not budging? You're not alone. Many try hard but still see no results. Let's uncover the surprising truth behind your weight loss struggle. The primary reason many people can't lose weight is often overlooked. It's not just about diet or exercise. It's about understanding your body's unique needs. Let's break this down step by step. First, recognize your metabolism plays a major role. Everyone's metabolism is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Knowing your metabolic rate can guide your efforts. Next, consider stress. Increased stress releases cortisol, leading to weight gain. It can also cause cravings for unhealthy foods. Managing stress is crucial for weight loss success. Third, evaluate your sleep quality. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones related to hunger. This can lead to overeating the next day. Prioritizing sleep is essential for effective weight loss. Lastly, hydration matters. Drinking enough water helps your metabolism function properly. It also prevents overeating, as thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Let's look at an example. Imagine Sarah. She followed a strict diet and exercised daily, yet she saw no change. Upon reviewing her lifestyle, she found she rarely slept well and drank little water. After improving these areas, the weight started to drop. To sum up, weight loss is not just about cutting calories. It involves understanding your metabolism, managing stress, enhancing sleep, and staying hydrated. Make these adjustments for better results. So what's next? Take a moment to assess your daily habits. Start with one change today. Your journey to weight loss success begins now.